Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. I need you to get a pencil, crayons, and your October journal. It has jack-o'-lanterns on it, doesn't it? So your October journal, crayons, and a pencil. Okay, so you might want to hit pause and go get those things. Mrs. Hensley is going to start by writing her name right here on this line because it is my October journal. So Mrs. Hensley. Okay, so I wrote my name as neatly as I could. That's all I need my pencil for today because I'm not going to be writing in my journal. All I'm going to be doing today is coloring in my journal. Okay, so I'm going to get out my orange crayon and my black crayon. And I am going to color neatly. Neatly. I'm not going to leave any white in my picture, just in my background, okay? Actually, Mrs. Hensley may not color all of it. It just depends on time, how long it takes. Try to do your best coloring because, again, like we did in September, we will have this journal in the whole month of October. So you will be working on this journal the whole month of October. Okay? So you want to take good care of it. I hope you put your September journal in your fish folder so when we come back to school, you will have that for Mrs. Hensley because we definitely want to have that, okay? I want to see it in person. So Mrs. Hensley is just coloring very neatly. Very neatly I am. And I'm kind of taking not as much time as I normally would. Okay, just because it takes a lot of time for Mrs. Hensley to do these videos while I'm coloring my jack-o'-lantern. So what I will probably do is probably just color the rest of it a little bit later so you guys are not having to wait on Mrs. Hensley. Okay? Now, if you ever see Mrs. Hensley sticking out her tongue, I work with my sticking out my tongue. And you know, Madison, my youngest daughter, she looked up on Google online. She looked up and apparently sticking out your tongue helps you concentrate. Some people do it and some people don't. Mrs. Hensley is definitely one that has always done that. Mrs. Hensley's mom, she's no longer with us. She passed away in 2019. But she, when I was growing up, she would put her makeup on, sitting in the sink, in the bathroom, sitting like on the edge of the sink, putting her makeup on, and she would put her mascara on, that goes on your eyelashes. She would put her mascara on like this. And she would have her tongue sticking out. So maybe I got that from my mommy. You think? Okay, maybe. I don't know. But whatever I got from my mommy, I'm happy because I love my mommy and I miss my mommy very, very much. Okay. I've actually missed my mommy and my daddy, but because my daddy passed away in 2007, so it's been a little while. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley has colored her jack-o'-lanterns, And now I've decided that I want to color my letters where it says October, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to finish them, okay? Probably going to take it home and finish it and show you the next time, just like you're doing yours at home. Mrs. Sinsley's going to take hers home and do hers at home. Okay, I'm probably going to do a pattern. I'm going to do black, orange, black, orange, black, orange, black. And then I'm going to do orange, black, orange, black, orange, black, orange. I'm doing an A-B pattern, okay? You can do whatever color you want for your letters. I do want your letters colored. I am also going to color my frame, okay? I do want you to color your frame because it makes your journal look so much better, okay? Take your time coloring your journal. I want you to be proud of your journal, okay? Take a picture. Well, you're going to hit the green add response button. Take a picture with the camera of your front cover of your October journal and send it to me. Hit the check mark button when you're finished. I want to see how beautifully you colored your October journal. Do not work inside your journal, friends. Just this page is all we're doing today. Okay? Have an awesome day, and I will talk to you soon. Make it look awesome. Bye.